How to log out of Viber. So let's get started. First of all, Viber does not offer a traditional logout feature on mobile devices. To effectively log out, you can deactivate your account or simply delete your account. For alternative method, you can also delete your app only. So, first of all, open the Viber app on your mobile device. Now, once opened, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen so that you can navigate to your Viber profile section. Once there, you will get to see the options available on your screen. From there, all you have to do is tap on the settings option available there. And once inside the settings, tap on the account option available there at the top. Then tap on the Viber backup and tap on the backup now option available there and back up all your text, photos or videos in Viber. It might take few seconds or few minutes for your backup to complete, and once your backup is completed, simply go to the home screen and long press on the app and tap on the delete app option available there and delete the Viber app. You can simply download it again and backup it in order to get the previous messages. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.